Welcome to Castellamare Del Golfo, a charming seaside village in Sicily, a place where waves whisper tales of ancient history and life unfolds at a rhythm dictated by the sea. Welcome back, Karl Pierre here. If you're new to the channel, I'm an explorer at heart, a seeker of culture, and above all, a believer in life beyond borders. I cover living globally and how to afford it by making smart investments. Today, I want to share a journey of mine, a journey that might echo with many of you who feel stuck and are looking for more. In a world where our home seems to be spiraling, where society feels divided, there's a profound appeal to escape, to seek refuge where one can grow, learn, and breathe. This is where the journey begins. It's a distressed property right here in Castellamare del Golfo, a beacon of potential amongst the colors of this antique, cozy Sicilian village. So this is the project that we're taking on. As you can see, it's not really in the best shape, and that's exactly how I like to buy properties, because that's where you get the biggest discount and the most upside from renovating the property. Let's walk inside and see exactly how it looks. So when you first walk in, you walk into like this common area. And the first thing I notice is that there's this door that leads to stairs and also this central arc, which tells me that this is the middle of the home and the main support. So that wall I can't really do much with. So I'm gonna have to be able to redesign the space with that in mind. Walking on over to the left here is the first floor bathroom, which is an absolute disaster, as you can see. But this bathroom lets me know where the water lines are. And I'm already thinking that in this space, I'm going to have to take down this wall and think about making that a different room. But at least we have the water source here. Over to the back left corner of the first floor, we have this like 8x10 sort of room. It's a small room, but it has really high ceilings, which is nice, and this mock window. So they converted this into a bedroom, but again, that might not be the best use case for it. Got to think through it. Right next to the bedroom is this other little room, which kind of gets tucked underneath the stairs. The walls look horrible, but again, this is space that we have to reimagine. The only thing is, right down the middle, this room is split. And over here is some more water hookups, so I think they had like a little sink or kitchenette there, maybe even a laundry machine, not sure, but that's obviously not gonna stay. Heading on upstairs, we have this straightaway entrance to the second floor from the front. So I could already split these two units and make it a two-family home. On the second level, once you get to the top of the stairs, there's a bit of a division. So going over to your left, there's like this small living area and another set of stairs going upstairs. They have this half tiled, don't know why. Doesn't quite make sense to me. Not sure why they set it up this way. And over here we have another bathroom, water heater on the wall. That's gonna have to get relocated. I can't stand those. And a small bathroom. So there's a bathroom on the first floor, bathroom on the second floor. And heading on back, there's some more space here. And again, this is the same central wall that lines up with the central wall downstairs. So that shows me that's the main support. And it's also in the opposite direction of the floor joist. Here's a nice large bedroom with its own balcony. So I think this might be the master bedroom, but there's no bathroom attached. So again, I'm thinking about how could I utilize this space. Stepping out onto the balcony here, we have the views of the port and views of the mountain. This makes this room super cozy. And behind that larger bedroom is this small bedroom, again with no windows, high ceilings. The high ceilings make it more comfortable, but it is a small space. Heading upstairs to the top level, I could see daylight through the roof. Bad sign. So this roof is gonna have to be changed or modified in some sort of way. And then we have this large room that has a sloping ceiling. And the space is pretty big, so I'm thinking this could be a good master bedroom, and that's probably the direction I'm gonna go in. So take off this roof, extend it a little higher. Revitalizing this space will not be a simple task. Every nail to be driven, every wall to be painted will be a step towards crafting a cash-flowing asset for those seeking a life less ordinary. This isn't just about owning property. It's about joining a community, soaking in a culture that is as vibrant as the Mediterranean sun. So I had some time to think, and I was able to work on this with my architect. Here's what we have in mind. On the first floor, we're going to convert that bathroom into a kitchen and open up the space. And in the back left corner, instead of it being a bedroom, it's going to be a convertible bedroom living room. The bathroom is going to go in the back right corner. On the second floor, we're going to do a living room kitchen combo, a bedroom, and a full bathroom in that smaller space. And that's the first floor of that apartment. Now up top, we're going to do a rooftop terrace. We're going to just clear the ceiling on that other side. And then we're going to convert the rest of it into a bedroom and bathroom. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like from the outside, this is what we're thinking. So first we have the living room that I want to show you. It's a couch that converts into a mattress. So this way you have the TV on the other side. It could just be recreational space when the house is combined. But when it's rented out as a studio, it'll become its own bedroom. Then you have an eat-in kitchen, bathroom on the first level. And this bathroom is kind of indicative of how we're going to do all the bathrooms in the home. And then you have this rendering going upstairs for the upstairs apartments. So when you walk into the upstairs apartment, you're walking into this living room area that also has a kitchen, washer machine, and most of the time it's going to be rented as one home, but we can monetize more by renting it out as 2 units. We have here one of the main bedrooms, has enough space for a desk, the balcony door to go outside. Now the upstairs bedroom is a little bit smaller, but has a similar layout. The bonus there is that it's going to have access to the rooftop terrace and its own bathroom. This town is a hidden gem away from the typical tourist traps of Italy. It's only 35 minutes from the capital city of Palermo and the main airport. It appeals to Sicilians looking for a summertime getaway, as well as people throughout the world who enjoy vacationing in the Mediterranean Sea. I truly love it here and have made lifelong memories with my family and friends, from taking boats out to secluded beaches and enjoying amazing food at all the restaurants in town, and just the right amount of nightlife to not feel overwhelmed or isolated. It offers a cultural treasure, a chance to immerse yourself in the slow-paced, rich tapestry of Sicilian life. Whether you're disillusioned with the world's current trajectory or simply yearning for new experiences, remember, there's more to you than just being a citizen of your home country. That's why I decided to open up this investment to 5 people who share my outlook on life and commerce. This is the last small deal that I'm doing with others. The benefits of partnering on this project include the use of the property in the low season and cash flow as a short-term rental during the peak season. The cash that this project is expected to produce can fund your future travel. If you never invested internationally or even back home, this is a great opportunity for you to learn, reduce your risk, and be able to venture out on your own to expand on this business so that you too can become a global citizen. For more information and to be qualified to participate, email me at invest@entplife.com. Owning a home here in Castellamare Del Golfo isn't merely an investment. It's a step towards a richer and broader identity. And I believe it's in these corners of the world where we actually get out there and rediscover ourselves. Discover a new world, discover a new you. Welcome to Castellamare del Golfo.